Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Dutch Pot Restaurant in Fort Lauderdale, and it has a number of things inside there, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. So see, they have different variety of drinks, Dutch pot drinks. Orange and pineapple. Want this?
Oh, they have tamarind ginger whenever that tastes good.
Where you see that? This? You want it?
I'll try it.
Hold it.
Shake up it.
Hold this.
It tastes like dirty water, so you have to take out 3 drinks here. Take this one, and then take the orange pineapple. Which one you want?
May I look for it? And then I'm going to take this reggae.
Which one? What is that?
Reggae, lock that fridge, lock that door there. So they have them in smaller quantities. So you see they have carrots. I don't remember if we did ever try carrots. We have beetroot, ginger, pineapple ginger, pineapple lime. See that? Pineapple lime.
Yes.
Different variety of things. They have a lot of drinks. So which one make you put back? No, I don't put back none, you know. Get both it. Yeah, man. So Dutch Pot Restaurant. If you haven't been here, you need to come and try their food. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. One oxtail and curry goats, rice and peas.
Small and large. Small. Come in.
Small.
And don't put no one in for gravy. Small?
Yeah. So you see them have a wide variety of things.
Can I get extra gravy, please?
See that?
Let me get juice.
Remember, 3 meals you have to buy now? 3.
3 food.
Yes, you don't remember?
Alright, so what else
We
you
need
need?
another small.
Not a small one. Why next one?
The food.
No, why next? Why next?
We'll see, I don't know yet.
Okay.
Maybe chicken. Rice and peas. Stop video. Then you want to
Rice and peas. No, we are doing one YouTube channel. That's the reason why I'm videoing. Rice and peas and
I want rice and peas and oxtail and salad.
I don't even know how many right now.
Go to
You have jerk chicken or you have jerk chicken? Yes, give me that jerk chicken. Rice and yes. No gravy. Just give me the jerk gravy on the side. Yeah.
You have jerk chicken, you said, right? So you took a jerk chicken? And a goat. No,
Rice and peas, all of them. No gravy. Alright, thanks.
And I want a side of mac here. Side of mac.
That's a side order. You can separate.
See how the rice look good. Yeah, man.
That rice in there, was she taking out? Yes, ma'am. And I get Oxtail with that again?
Who's next in line, please come to the left. My left, my left.
Yes, over the rice.
What's for you?
Small curry chicken, please.
Curry chicken?
Man, look at that. Nice.
No, that's not finished. What rice and curry?
Same one again. Rice and beans.
Put dumpling in there. Yeah. Put dumpling.
Yes, no gravy. Thank you.
You finished? Okay, thank you.
Let me see. Look.
Okay, salad with me. What size?
Medium. I mean small.
Ladies and gentlemen, fresh curry goat. See the line I get long. Yeah, man. Yeah, that Foreign Life TV. Yeah. Yes.
Steam veg. I get some oxtail gravy, please. I get some oxtail gravy and steam veg, please. Big.
Remember this side of mac and cheese, okay?
Mac and cheese. No way.
You want mac and cheese?
No, that's right.
I'm not sorry. Yeah, we finished.
It's alright, don't put anything in that. Don't put anything in that. You can give me more of that if you wish. Alright, no problem. Side of mac and cheese.
I want no cabbage, no cabbage. Big piece of rice.
Alright, ready to cash.
Dutch pot, carrot juice.
No rice, right? No rice.
Welcome to Dutch Pot. Good afternoon. You're welcome. And there's one more. Watermelon lemonade. Welcome to Dutch Pot. Alright, verify with me now. We have a small oxtail, small jerk chicken, small curried, mac and cheese, 2 bun and cheese, carrot juice, pineapple lime, the regadue, and the watermelon. With that, sounds great. 82.44 your total. Were you not like us? Yes.
You guys make them?
Yes.
Don't forget.
We have like spicy and mild,
So what else?
salmon and pumpkin and curry goatee and all.
What you say?
When I say and shrimp, all of the good tasting parts.
I never had pumpkin. Let me try one pumpkin.
You want to try the pumpkin?
One pumpkin.
You're gonna like it.
Never like it. One pumpkin, one mild beef.
My dear.
You can separate
You want
them.
the pea as the pumpkin, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
It's just a trial and error.
Alrighty, I got you. Right, yeah. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming.
Two gizzard silly.
Add 2 gizzard to it.
Yeah.
Dessert. 1, 2 gizzard and the patty, alright?
Yes.
So we have a mild and a pumpkin. 96.60.
Thank you.
Time over.
Go on again.
This branch is the number 6 branch.
Dutch Pot, right?
Dutch Pot Restaurant.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, on Foreign Life TV.
Right there.
You don't hear that? Number 6. Number 6 branch.
Anyway, want me to put in these first?
Okay.
There we go. Then we can just put the gizzard on top, the good old Jamaican gizzard.
Separate.
Alright. Not a problem. I got you, girl.
Appreciate that.
Very well. That's the patty.
Thank you, sir.
And I got your juices over here. All natural, right?
You know, we done natural already.
Sure.
Natural
We'll just
things
keep
are
that
good.
trend right there. Have yourself a blessed one and enjoy, alright?
Yeah, man.
We
Thanks. No
appreciate
respect.
you. There we go. Have a great day. You know that. Thanks for your patience.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, look at it. Oxtail, curried goats. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Yard and Foreign Life TV. Like and share this video. Full drive-through. They have a drive-through at Dutch Pot Restaurant. See the line? Yeah. So meal was good. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you on the next video.